See if we can film this thing real quick. I got more than one of these, but this is the one I usually use because it's not as big and I can actually move it around. This one goes up to like 310, but you need 100 amp service. I don't know what this one ultimately draws, but I think it only goes up to 150. Anyway, we'll put the camera on the tripod and we'll do a quick bead. Show you how it works. I was doing this earlier with this little inverter welder. I went all the way through. So I threw down these beads real quick with the Harbor Freight 6013 crap on this here. So this should probably do better. Alright, I'm going to try and do this without taking too long. It's just a matter of scooting the welder. I should try this and see how it works. I might have to stop it. Let's see. I probably blocked it, but you can see it now. And all right. It's okay for pretty dirty metal, actually. This metal is really dirty. Back out to normal. So I think I've got this like set at like I don't know, like 95 amps, somewhere around there. This metal is fairly thick. So it's getting a little bit smoother of a weld out of the inverter, but I probably could turn this up a little bit more. Anyway, let's see. Miller econotwin HF. This is, and it's more suited for TIG. It's got the high frequency start on it, but it doesn't have the remote control amperage like my other machine over there. But it does have like a, you can turn it on and off. This one's got a lot more stuff in post flow for your gas. Honestly, I quit practicing TIG welding because I get tired of paying for a $40 tank of argon and, you know, using it in a couple of days. So anyway, it's a little bit of my welding adventure. I got other welders, a couple others.